If you say H1 and H2 was sent, I would then say, at what time was H1 and H2 sent and on what date? So that I can appropriately respond to your question. Because if a proposition is going to be made based on mere surmise, I don't think it is going to be proper or appropriate. Based on mere surmise.
Mere surmise. Let's break it down. Surmise means to guess, to assume, to come to a conclusion without solid evidence. It's like educated guessing, but with zero education. So when JP says, if a conclusion is going to be based on mere surmise, I don't think it'd be proper. He means we can't just make decisions based on wild guesses. This is a tribunal, not TikTok conspiracy hour. Here are some real-life examples. A friend says, I think my partner's cheating because they didn't text back in 5 minutes. You would say, that's not evidence, bro. That's a mere surmise. Calm down before you embarrass yourself. So if you want to say, I think, but I'm not sure, or I'm just guessing, don't use the simple maybe or I guess. Use this is a mere surmise. It sounds smart, serious, and legally spicy. Now let me hear your examples in the comment section below.
So back to your question, I am said to have sent H1 and H2. Let's go to the affidavit. Let's see what is being said about H1 and H2 under oath. Page 17 of the consolidated bundle. The complainant at paragraph 13, I quote the last sentence, quote, he then sent me an image of a man muffing a woman. I was quiet and decided not to respond as he was sending these messages and pictures. Then she says H and H1, close quote. So I'm saying this is what she says under oath, which flies in the face of what she says. We now also know that Captain Porter did not find anything from my phone. At least you know from your side, because as I understand it, the affidavit of Captain Porter was handed in by consent. I'm just mentioning that. Apart from what Dr. Mello said about how a cell phone operates, I did not send H1 and H2. It is highly defamatory of the complainant to say that about me. And I am saying there are incongruities in the sense that I could spend 30 minutes and waste this tribunal's time demonstrating the incongruities purely at the level of fact about H1 and H2.